Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw tips and tricks, and tonight's video is about the attribute eyedropper. If you haven't used it before, you really need to play around with it. It's quite handy and quite helpful. It's under your eyedropper flyout. So we've got a text, and we've got three texts, and they're all different sizes. I'm going to make it red, and I'm going to change. So this text is 389.09 points. If you wanted to make this text red and that same pointage, you'd have to go to two different tools. But you can use the attribute eyedropper. Just make sure everything's checked that you need checked, and we only need font or text and really size. And then we're going to go to the eyedropper tool, attribute, click on the red and go down to where you see the paint fill. It's going to make the text the same size and the same color. Same thing with angles. This is at a weird angle, 22.239. If you wanted to do it, take the attribute eyedropper, and this time we'll go to, and you could have some of these all the time clicked. We're going to go to rotation, and we're going to pick that font that's rotated and go here. Sometimes it does that. I don't understand why it increases the size. Let me see if it's take away size and just get rotation. Well, and a lot of times you'll have to go back to your pick tool, get it to start. If you see the paint bucket before the eyedropper, see it rotated exactly. Size, we've got 4 different size circles. One of them's even an oval. We're going to go to attribute. We're going to turn on size. We're going to take a sample of this size. We're going to make all 3 of these circles, and even an oval will be that circle. The biggest help I think it's going to be is going to like a drop shadow. If you had to duplicate this drop shadow for another image and make it look identical, go to your attribute eyedropper tool, click on shadow, get the tool, sample the one that has a shadow, and then make it exactly. Even to the extent, this is an extrusion, even extruded and turned to an angle. We're going to get the attribute eyedropper tool, and we're going to go to take away the shadow and turn on extrude. Get a sample of that and put it over here and extrude. This was a different size box, different size square, so it's going to look a little bit different. But there's a lot that can be done with this. It's under your flyout for your color eyedropper. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.